Grand Rising, my people. So I am at traveling mode right now, so I won't be unmuted very much, and that is because there's a lot of noise around me. I'm in Spain right now, and yeah, man, things are good. But as I said, there's a lot of noise around me, so I will unmute myself when I have something to say. And what we're waiting for now is the kill switch, is the kill zone it has basically started. I'm waiting for the market to switch now on gold. So we're watching gold. We want the liquidity grab to happen. I will mark out as interesting zones. I will put in my comments there, and when I'm entering the market, I will let you guys know. So this here is a possible setup that is marked out on the charts that you guys see, but it doesn't mean that that is the chart that is the setup that will actually happen. That is the most possible scenario that I'm seeing right now. But market needs to dip down, yeah, at least 23 pips to get down there. So that's some. So we'll see. We're waiting for London to start in about 8 minutes, and then we'll see how the market reacts on London. I'm expecting some kind of liquidity sweep before that. If anything, I will let you guys know. So as you guys can see, there's a lot this low volume once again in the market, and it's been so yesterday, and it's happening again today as we see now. What we want to see is market. What we would love to see is market actually to push up now, pre-London, and then just in the start of London, and then take out liquidity on top. So take out these tops, sweep that liquidity, and then push down to our entry at around 2,277. All right, and somewhere in this entry area that we have marked out here, give us a nice confirmation of reversal. I'll look at EJ in the meantime. I got it set up on EJ too. Goes a little bit too slow for us right now, so see if we got more possibilities. There's always more possibilities in the markets, but we don't want to chase them. So this is a setup that I had yesterday. I wanted to take out the stop loss cluster that we had down here. These lows, there's a lot of stop losses resting down here below. Market pushed up before that. I would love to see it basically do the same as gold. I would love to see it push down now and get this entry, and then to start pushing up on our swing trade here. This is day trade, swing trade. But here's the thing. I will check my MetaTrader quick. Yeah, so here's the thing. We got stop loss cluster at about 168.640. It's a heavy one. 2%, 2.16% of all stop losses are there. I'm gonna mark it out so you guys see it. It was 840, right? Yeah. So here we got a stop loss cluster. So there's a big chance that market comes down, takes out these stop losses, and reverses from there. We get a true confirmation first. We have a nice push up here on the lower time frames. We have taken out structure. We have taken out lower highs. But yeah, like I said, I want to see this pullback first. I would love to see this pullback and the stop losses taken out. That will present a nice entry for us on EJ. London has started. We have officially 9 o'clock CET. So let's see how market reacts now first out. All right, so as you guys see, market gold price has started to push up to for a possible liquidity sweep, as it looks right now. And but we ain't jumping into anything before we see that it really is what it is. So what I would want to see from here, from that liquidity sweep, is that market breaks down below the true day. So the white line that you see, I want to see market take out liquidity on top and then break below true day. Show that it goes below the support again, and it has it as resistance. True day is when is the midnight open of Eastern time, and that is a level that market respects very well. So let's see if market comes back down, closes below that. That will give us indication of a reversal that we are looking for. The true reversal would really be if market could break below the EMAs, as you see the whole EMA cluster there. So let's watch this thing for a little bit more. Maybe wants to push up a little bit more, take out the tops completely. We'll see. And if I'm entering, I will let you guys know ASAP. took my first sell position, very small one, 0.2% risk. I want to see market reject, like create resistance against the EMA. So, but we also know that the market can run away, and this is why I'm taking that first more risky position, but with a very small lot size. See if we can get a nice rejection here, back up to our entry, and then we can enter more completely. Normally that's what happens. It takes out lows, so we'll take out these lows here, push up again, probably somewhere in this vicinity, and present a nice entry for us at around 2,303. We'll see. This thing is not safe yet. It can just as well get up and take more of this liquidity up here. Seen that happen many times. This is why we entering piece by piece slowly and not rushing into it.
is kind of the determining moment right now. And this is where we want to see how market respects true day as resistance. And as you see, it seems to respect it quite well. I added another position here, another 0.2, so I'm totally in 0.4 now on this trade. But the thing is, with this entry run through day, is that it's a very discounted entry. So we of course love discount. This is a entry on rebate on sale. So let's see if we can get a nice drop on this one now. That would be perfect. And that would mean, for me, I think I will sell with these two positions. So 0.4 risk totally for me. And I will have my first take profit at the liquidity zone I've marked down below. So just down here, this blue line at 2,297, say 2,298. That's my first take profit. The second take profit is at the entry for our bigger trade that we're looking for. So the one that I spoke on previously, that is at 2,277. So let's see what the market does for a couple of minutes now. EJ, I'm not sure about it yet. I'm watching to see if this is just a liquidity sweep and we get that reversal, or if we're coming down to take out these stop losses. So preferably I want to see it come down and take the stop losses at 168.84. That's where I want to see price, and that would be a very tempting zone for us to enter on a buy. But then we want to see, of course, some confirmations first before we enter. just closed the entry that I had on True Day. So I closed one of my entries. So I'm only in with 0.2. Why I did that is because I don't like the support it has created against the EMA. So you see the support, it broke below as we wanted to, but then it came back, retested it as support, and it actually created a very nice support on it. You can see that on the 5 minute as well. You can see that on the 15 minute as well is rejecting it. That is not nice. That is not what we want to see. So I'm only with 0.2 again. I closed the True Day entry at break even. So no losses yet. And only with a very small risk. And I recommend you guys the same because right now it feels like this thing wants to go out at least and take out these top at 2,305.3. In case of spread, also you always want to keep spread in calculation, but we'll see, because as the candles print, you see candle by candle that it's forming. Here it has formed a more and more bullish structure as the candles have printed, and it's important also in trading, as I'm always stressing, that you have to accept also when you are, how can I say, on the wrong direction. Right now, there's no direction. There's like just ranging. Market's trying to find its direction actually, and there it took out buy side liquidity. Let's see if it takes out my stop loss as well. If so, then we probably we're in the wrong direction. Confirmed. Yeah, this thing is going to take out my stop loss now. Not yet, but it's very close, man. But I'm expecting it to do it. I'm expecting that second push now. Because if this thing don't reject completely after a push like this, then we know that it's not a liquidity sweep. This is actually the breakout, and now market wants to push. So this trade off, cancelled, and now we're looking at, okay, that didn't go as we wanted it to go, but what do we do from there? So what we have above here is we have this order block, and it doesn't mean that it will sell from there. We will have a reaction, that is for sure, from the area, but it doesn't mean the market will dump down from there. We're still in the London session, and market usually finds its direction during London session. Most often within the first 20 minutes. Those have passed. It's 25 minutes into London session now. So we're still waiting, basically, just looking at what does it want to do from here. But this trade, the first trade that we went in with a small entry is cancelled. Or cancelled, it's stopped out, literally. And this is why when you're not very, I can say, not sure, you're never completely sure of a trade, but when you don't get all your confirmations, you don't want to enter with a full lot. Better to risk small. It would be funny if it turned from here, because the funny thing is I'm not stopped out yet, but I'm like, what, 4 pips from stop, so just one push up and I'm out. I don't know about you guys. Did anybody even enter this trade? Yeah, let this pay off for a couple of minutes, and we'll see. So the situation now is like the opposite. We have market has broken through, created nice support against the EMA, 20-day EMA, 50-day EMA, and broken through the true day. Taking out topside liquidity, which normally is a reversal, but for gold, yeah, it's not a thing to get hung up on. You can take out the liquidity, do a little pullback, and then push further up. But the thing is now that we broke through true day on the bullish side, so we are testing it as support right now. So who knows? We might get in on a buy here. Not rushing into anything, letting it play out a little bit, and yeah, like Rayo said, we need to see what it wants to do right now. Don't like the volume. Market is too slow. It's like I'm always saying, when the volume is low, just a fart in the wind can send it in any direction. So, in different terms, a bank or institution pushing in a couple of millions into gold, into a couple of gold contracts, can set it on a buy, will send it up, sell, send it down, but it will move the market. But as you guys see, this thing looks like it wants to break out further. It does not look like it wants to go down now. Because if it was a liquidity sweep, we would already be propelling in the opposite direction on a sell. And it didn't. It rejected, or it reacted to the liquidity, to the buy side liquidity, and now it's pushing further up. So this is definitely a buy. I'm not gonna buy this one because there's too much cluster, there's too much noise just above. You could scalp it for, what is it? Yeah, like 40 pips, 30 pips. Which in gold terms is scalping, of course. Maybe if it pushes back a little bit, I will enter, but yeah, for now, this will do. Yeah, brother, I got stopped out. I'm sitting here considering if I should enter or buy or not, but honestly, no, it's too much guesswork right now. So here's the thing, I need to get going. I'm switching hotels in a couple of minutes. Need to pack my shit here. From next week, I will be back in my apartment. I can stream regularly, but until then, I will have these pop-up streams whenever I can. But tomorrow morning, I will be back 8:45. I don't know for how long, maybe 20 minutes, maybe 30, maybe 45, but I will be I will be streaming 8:45. So I'll see you guys then. If I see anything in the markets, I will post it. I will post it in the Prosperous channel. All right? Yeah, Rio. For you, I hope that this thing drops heavy, so you can cash in those pips. All right, guys. Have a beautiful day so far. Until then, and